This is the world's best adventure I had ever.
Do you hear it? That distant call? Listen. Feel it. It'll reach you like a song, or strike you like a poem. All you have to do is listen. To walk barefoot in nature, be in tune with the atmosphere, to feel the soil beneath your feet, and know that you're in a good place. Dance with the waters, feel every drop of it, scale the highs and the lows, be a part of the force of nature. You're not a stranger here. You're born in a place like this. You've sang choruses with the wind. It's calling to us now again. No matter where you go, no matter how far you go, these woods will always give you home. It's your safe haven. The peace and joy that comes with it is a crown for you to wear. So do you hear it now? I do.
Hi Kabi, Tingchoi. This is ADAPHRO SYLVIA. I'm so excited to have you here. Today we have our team over here. Please have a look over there. The waterfall, Malanzai Waterfall, is just at the back of my place. So let's see, I'm so excited to explore it. Let's go and explore it. This is the only place where we can settle down and have our eatable things, like we can cook. And then, we have so many teams coming from Senapati, Kangpokpi, and then Imphal. So let's have a look over there and then let's ask them how was the experience? Yeah, hi, hello. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi, how are you doing? Hello, hello.
Hello, hi.
Come on. Come on.
Hello.
So they are my team, and now let me have a break and then I'll catch you later.
농도 내려 바람 내려 얇아 나와 얇아 찔러 좀 나와 농도 내려 Jay, wave for the camera. Slow.
waterfall. I don't know I can make it or not, but let's see. Let's go. I thought that this is the second waterfall, but then this is the same waterfall, which is like the first waterfall, but it is in a different angle. So like let's go and see what is Malanzai, actually what is Malanzai about. So come on, let's go. In Langley dialect, Malan means going back, and then Zai means lake. So Malanzai is like, it refers to the fishes which comes down but then can't go up again. So have a look over the Malanzai lake.
Nah, anong si Taro kan nanda rồi. Sayo di matum tama.
Whenever I see Kabi Tingchoi vlog, they always enjoy and then they always have lunch over here, the place wherever they go. So like today, all my team comes over here. We all are 11 of us, and then like already prepared. Cooking is already done. So like I'm very hungry now. Let's go and have food.
Hi Sylvia,
Hello.
how is the arrangement?
It's very nice, and then like very thankful to our chef, master chef. I'm going to have my lunch now. So bye bye. Now we had our lunch, and then now it is the time to go back. And then it takes time, like to reach Kangpokpi, it will be like 1.5 hours. So let's go back home. Okay. So guys, what can I say more? Please carry your own shoe, another shoe, a pair of shoe, because like the water over there is very like a challenging one. You have to go through the water and then only you have to come back again like that. So take a pair of shoe, another pair of shoe, so that you can change while you go back. I don't know much about what should I say, because everything is like there in YouTube and then in social media about this Malanzai waterfall. So I'm very exhausted. I don't know what to say now. So this is my first time that I have been like hosting. I don't know how do you like it, but yes, thank you so much for watching me, and then please do like, share and subscribe Kabi Tingchoi. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hi Kabi Tingchoi, this is ADAPHRO SYLVIA. अनि आज यहाँ मलन्जाई भन्ने वाटरफलमा आएको छु हामी एक्सप्लोर गर्नको लागि.